You're a superhero.
So the first step is you need to go on Play Store and you need to search for YouTube. After that, update the application if it is not updated, and uninstall the application and reinstall it. Sometime reinstall also help you, so I recommend you to uninstall the app and reinstall it. So the next step is you need to move on phone setting. After that, you need to go on apps. So after going to the apps, you need to search for Google Play services. So Google Play services. So you need to do is go to storage and do clear cache. So after that, you need to go on YouTube application. So hold it, you will get an app info. So go on app info and you need to go on storage and you need to do clear data. So I have just done it, so I am not doing this. So after this, you need to restart your device. So restart your Android now. So after restart, check your YouTube once. The problem may have vanished. So this was for today. Thanks for watching.